Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So now it's time to go over the must-do deals for CVS next week. So these deals are going to start on Sunday, and go through the following Saturday, the 22nd. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so when I do post new videos, you guys will be notified and you won't miss out on any chances to save tons and tons of money. We have some money makers to go over with you guys, some with some CRTs, some without. They're not super CRT heavy, which is good for beginners, of course. I know when you're first starting out, a lot of people ask me, how do you get the more CRTs, the better CRTs, things like that. It just comes with time. So the more you shop at CVS, the more transactions you're doing, the different kinds of products you're buying, the more CRTs you'll get. So when I first started, it probably took me about 2.5 months. Of shopping once a week and doing maybe 2 transactions like in each shopping trip like you guys see me do on my haul. So hang in there. The CRTs are definitely coming for you. So it's not as amazing of a week as we've had the last few weeks. The deals aren't as good, and I'm hoping that laundry care CRT comes back so that it can help us with better deals. We have been getting some great digital coupons like for Scott toilet paper, paper products, things like that. I did have a 3 off of 15 Viva paper towel CRT actually from the current week. So it is Friday. What I did today while I was at work is I sent all of my CRTs that didn't print at the red box. I went ahead and sent them to my card because I know I'm going to forget tomorrow. I have a very busy day and you want to make sure you don't lose out. So Sunday, we're getting new CRTs. So if you don't send the CRTs from the current week to your card, they're going to disappear. So whatever you're doing right now, watching this video, stop what you're doing. And as you're listening to the video, go ahead on your CVS app and send those to your card. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. We have 8 deals to share with you guys for what you can do next week. So Tide and Dreft are going to be on sale for $11.94. And when you buy 2 of them, you'll get a $5 extra back. So what you can do is pick up one of the Tide liquids and one of the large Tide pods. It's the 35 count. They're both $11.94. There are some digital coupons, or there are coupons from the August PG insert. So if you still have the digitals, you can use those. If you want to mix and match, whatever works for you, that'll take off $6. You'll pay $17.88, get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost $12.88 for both, or $6.44 each. Not the best deal, but it's almost 50% off of the sale price of $11.94, so still some great savings. And of course, these are the really large bottles, so that'll last you quite a while of laundry. And there are a lot of beauty deals because we are getting the Almay coupons on Sunday and Revlon coupons. And the best part about it is they're coming in the Smart Source. A lot of us get the Smart Source. It's usually the Retail Me Not that a lot of places don't get. And these amazing coupons are in the Smart Source. So I would highly recommend picking up a newspaper or 2 newspapers. So Almay is on sale. Spend $10, get a $4 extra buck. It is a limit of 6. And it shows you right here in the weekly ad the limit of how many times you can do the deal per week, per card, like per account. So what I put together is grabbing 2 of the Almay makeup remover pads. They are $6.59 each. One of the Almay quad single eyeshadows at $7.29, and an Almay clear complexion concealer at $9.49. That'll bring your total to $29.96. Now my store does follow the 98% rule, so we will be hitting this deal 3 times, getting back a $12 extra back. So the coupons you're going to want to use come from the Smart Source on Sunday. We're getting a 3 off of 2 Almay makeup remover, a $3 eye, and a $3 face. I think the limit is 1 per coupon. That is why we're having 1 eye and 1 face. I also have a 5 off of 25 Almay cosmetic CRT that I'm going to apply to this deal. And if you haven't used your $5 Almay Cosmetic Instant coupon we got the current week, it printed at the red box for me. So if you haven't been to CVS yet, definitely stop by today or tomorrow, print your extra bucks so you can get this instant coupon. So after all these coupons and CRTs, I'm going to pay $10.96, get back the $12 extra buck, which is going to make everything completely free, and $1.04 moneymaker. There is also a beauty bag promotion. When you spend $30 on beauty products, you are going to get a free 7-piece beauty bag, which is awesome. And in case you have to hit exactly 30, so that free beauty bag is going to be a CRT that prints. So you have to make sure you give it to the cashier. That way they can give you the beauty bag and they can scan that CRT to make the beauty bag free. I think it's like a $15 value. Like when they scan the beauty bag, it'll ring up as like 15 bucks, and that CRT will take that off. So then it'll bring in as completely free. We do have some other makeup deals that we are going to be doing as well. So it'll definitely put us over the $30 mark. Now it did say that you have to do certain beauty deals. So the Physicians Formula is one that it did exclude. So because there is an instant coupon for the Physicians Formula next week, it is a really good deal. So they excluded that from the beauty bag. So just a heads up on that. You can only do like Almay, Neutrogena, Wet n Wild, Sally Hansen. There is a L'Oreal mascara deal as well. Any of those you guys can do when you spend $30 on beauty products. You'll get that free 7-piece beauty bag. So I will try to get that on Sunday and show you guys in my haul everything that comes in there. Crest, we have gotten so many great deals on oral care. I hope you guys are super stocked up. We had some money makers the current week at Walgreens. So hopefully you guys were able to get those savings as well. Next week, awesome deal too. So this is a limit of 2. When you buy 2 Crest, you are going to get a $3 extra buck. So buying 2 of them, they're $2.99 each. We have $1 off 1 coupons from the 8-9 Retail Me Not insert. You're going to go ahead and use 2 of those. You'll pay $3.98, get back the $3 extra buck, making your final cost 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. I would say anything under $1 for oral care is definitely a great deal. Sometimes we get them free and moneymakers, but 49 cents each is by far a great deal. I would definitely take advantage of this. If you have an oral care CRT that you can use as well, I haven't had an oral care CRT like a standard one, like a 3 off 12 toothpaste or something in a while. So fingers crossed I get one on Sunday so I can put together some deals like that as well in my haul. Colgate is on sale. Buy 2, get a $4.50 extra buck. It is a limit of 2. So we're going to max out this deal. The way I put it together, you're going to grab 4 of them. They're $3.49 each. We have 50-cent coupons in the 816 Smart Source. So you're going to use 4 of them. Then if you have a 3 off of 10 Colgate CRT, I've gotten those a couple times in the past. Definitely add that with this deal. And if you get that $3 whitening or treatment kit CRT, what I always do with that CRT, I send that one to my card immediately. So I wake up Sunday morning and I kind of scroll through just to get an idea of what deals I'm going to do. That one I send to my card. That way I can go on the CVS app and click shop this deal from that CRT to figure out exactly what toothpaste or mouthwashes or whatever that the $3 CRT is going to attach to make sure I grab that and add it in the deal. That way you don't have any issues at checkout. So with this deal, you'll pay $5.96, get back a $9 extra buck because we maxed out the deal and did it twice. $4.50 times 2 is $9. Final cost is free and a $3.04 moneymaker. Absolutely amazing. Venus and Gillette, we had a good deal going on at Walgreens. These are for the non-disposables at CVS next week. So they are buy 2, get an $8 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So what you can do is grab one of the Venus razors at $9.29 and one of the Gillette razors. They are $9.99. use a $2 Venus coupon from the August PG insert. We are also getting a send to card coupon. So I'm not sure what the value is or if it's going to be for the Venus or Gillette, but we'll have to check on Sunday and see what kind of digital we have. Use a $2 Gillette razor coupon from the August PG as well. Those expire on the 29th. If you have a 5 off of 20 shave CRT, definitely add that with your deal. Or if you have a 3 off of 12, I've had that sometimes as well. Sometimes you'll even get like a 5 off of 12 shave CRT, which is obviously amazing. You want to make sure that your store does follow the 98% 20% rule. It is Friday, guys. I am like so tired. Okay, so back to the deals. You want to make sure that your store follows the 98% rule. That way you can make sure all of your CRTs will work. A lot of people ask me, how do you know if your store follows that rule? The only thing I can say is try a deal and see if the extra buck prints. I'm not exactly sure. So, and I just realized there is a typo. So you don't want to get the Close and Clean razor. There is a Venus razor that is $9.99. For some reason, my computer is not letting me edit this slide right now. So we are just going to keep going on, because if you grab this at $9.29 and this at $9.99, it doesn't equal 98% of $20. 98% of $20 is $19.60, and this equals $19.28. So this CRT would not work. So you want to make sure you're grabbing 2 razors that are at least like $9.99 each. Then your final cost would be a little more than that. It's going to be, if they're $9.99 each, you're going to pay $10.98, get back the $8 extra buck, making your final cost $2.98 for both, or $1.49 each. Not a bad deal, because these razors are very expensive at $10 each. Hersheys Candy, we have an instant coupon from last week. It says $1 off to the pouches up to 9.6 ounces. And these are Hersheys pouches between 9.8 and 10.8. So I believe the instant coupon from the current week will work. We're also getting another instant coupon for $3 off of 2. So what you're going to do is grab 2 of them for $7. Using both of those instant coupons, you will pay $3 for both, or $1.50 each. I thought that was definitely a good price to keep some candy around the house. CoverGirl is going to be spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. This one is a limit of 1. So what you can do is grab one of the CoverGirl eye pencils at $5.99 and one of the matte BB cream. It's actually in the photo here. They're $9.29. That'll bring you right above at $15.28. We have a $3 CoverGirl face coupon from the 8.9 Smart Source and a $3 CoverGirl eye coupon. I also have a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRTs. If you have a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, you could use that instead as well. You'll pay $6.28, get back a $5 extra buck, making it just $1.28 for both, or 64 cents each. All of this, of course, will track towards CVS Beauty. So for every $30 in beauty products that you spend, you will get an additional $3 beauty buck. So we will be definitely getting at least one $3 beauty buck, because the Almay, we were at $29.96. So we're 4 cents away from hitting beauty, and this is $15.28. That'll definitely put us over that threshold. Revlon is on sale, spend $12, get a $4 extra buck. It's a limit of 6, so you could do this deal up to 6 times. This little scissor right here just shows you we are getting some coupons in our Sunday insert. So the deal I put together, you're going to grab one of the Color Stay eyeliners at $8.49, one of the Candid concealers at $9.99, and one Revlon lip at $9.29. That'll bring you to $27.77. So we are going to be hitting this deal twice, because twice would be spending $24 and we're spending $27. We are getting a $3 Revlon eye from the Smart Source on Sunday, $3 Revlon face, and a $2 Revlon lip. Then if you have a 5 off of 20 Revlon CRT, definitely add that with this deal. You'll pay $14.77, get back an $8 extra buck, making your final cost $6.77 for all 3, $2.25 each. Not a bad deal, but of course we will be now hitting beauty twice, getting back at least a $6 beauty buck. So what I always do when I'm trying to figure out if it's worth it to do the additional beauty deal is figuring out how many times I'm going to hit beauty. That can make these deals free, moneymakers, you name it. So definitely think about that as well when you guys are putting together your hauls. So that is everything I have for you guys for the must-do deals for CVS next week. If you have any questions, of course, drop a comment below, let me know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.